Dr. Peter Ferket is an expert in the field of nutrition and delivery system, nutrient delivery systems as well. And Dr. Ferket, I know you've been very close at hand and watching this new biocellular micellization process come to be and the Ferket product. Can you give us from your perspective what it means and what all this can do for folks out there?
Well, yeah, Chris, I'm really excited about what Dr. Rotolo did with this new biomicellization process. When this new process came about, I thought, now this is bringing this micellization process closer to what really happens in the body. And we hear a lot of times about people being concerned about natural products. And I would say, Chris, that this micellization process brings it closer to what naturally occurs in nature than you could possibly do. Well, I think the other thing is that we've heard a lot about the fantastic impact that cell care would have on mental health, cardiovascular health. But one point that I really want to emphasize to everybody is that this is truly an anti-aging product too. Although the label says heart health formula, I would say also when you consider the ingredient that's in there and the function it does, and that it really is something what we could call one of the few anti-aging products available on the market. And Chris, aging occurs because of free radical damage that's caused by metabolism, radiation, toxins in the air, and what you breathe, etc. And aging occurs by three general methods. You either get DNA damage, or the free radicals damage the genetic code, and it's sort of like your computer program, and it gets kind of corrupted, and then things don't work very well. The second thing is it damages proteins, and proteins are all your enzymes. It's what your hair is made of, your muscles, your skin. It's all the structural components. And when that gets damaged, you get wrinkles. Your enzymes don't work very well. Your joints are creaky. And when you have that, prevent those proteins from getting damaged, either by free radical damage or sometimes they get linked with sugar, that it really causes problems. And then the third thing is that there's free radical damage that occurs in the mitochondria. And the mitochondria are little organelles that are the powerhouse of energy. They produce the ATP upon which the whole system operates. It's the energy currency for the body. And that's why when we get older, we start wrinkling up because the proteins are getting friable. Our DNA is all messed up, and so we're more susceptible to cancer and metabolic disorders. And we just run out of energy because our mitochondria is all whacked out. And what the antioxidants in cell care does is benefits and quenches the free radicals in all the cells, all parts of the cell throughout the whole body. And that's what gives it its tremendous effect. And, you know, when you look at some of the ingredients, I could spend probably all night long going through every little ingredient and what it does and how it does it. But in general, it quenches these free radicals, corrects metabolism, prevents your DNA from going haywire, and puts everything in order. And, you know, I've heard some interesting discussions on the internet and even talking among scientists that, you know, compounds like resveratrol could actually, you know, slow the aging process so much that we could easily live over 100 years old and be very active. So some of us that are 70 years old, well, heck, the 70 may be the new 40. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are an aging population, and there is a huge market of baby boomers who said, gosh, I want to prevent anti-aging, and this is the product that you should lift up right in front of their face and say, gosh, if you want to slow the aging process and all that occurs during aging, this is one product that may help you.